OK， 咁你每下咧都要跳嘅，同埋 bounce 嘅，所以個 jump in hop 係啦，少少打開向斜後，所以個 kick and 斜後 ，kick and 斜後 ，kick and 斜後 ，kick and 斜後。之後咧第一組就會去左邊先啦，然後跳啦 ，and up and， 跟住右邊 and up 係啦。咁呢個咧係跳係一個 rock 嘅 foundation， 所以 pat pat 咧有少少向後 rock 嘅感覺。咁你會去左邊 rock rock back rock rock 係咁 pat pat keep 住向後啦，跟住你會 rock side to side， 即係向左邊。咁咧會跳第一下嘅碎曲，跳啊接嘅跳 and 啊。手咧我哋咧順係會順揈一下嚇，接嘅 rock to the right rock to the left。Rock to the left. Okay, so you go 7, 8, go 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8。左手冇乜所謂嘅，有啲人擺呢度，其實冇乜所謂嘅。So again this one 咧，我哋會係 punch and 係一係都 keep 住都係有呢個 motif 就得㗎啦。So hit and 跟住第二組就會向右邊先啦 ，so jump and rock and left and rock to the right and down and right and up，OK， 跟住就會向右走啦。OK， 如果一齊做嘅話，就會係左腳先啦 ，so keep bouncing 啦 ，bouncing 向左啲 ，keep bouncing 啦 ，bouncing 到 1, 2, 3， 係啦，三下咧你應該會翻咗嚟㗎啦，所以一個正面。一個反面，一個正面，腳咧就係左右左，所以個 bounce 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 係啦 ，bounce 第四下嘅時候咧會係向大家嗰度踩一下，咁咧踩完就要翻嚟㗎啦 ，OK， so 成件事咧就係 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5， 好啦，一踩完5嘅時候咧，咁你右腳咧就向後 slide 啦 ，OK， 少少都係斜斜地嘅，呢下斜啦。之後佢係向斜 slide， 係啦，咁啊有少少 drop 落去 ，drop 就翻嚟啦 ，OK，so 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6， 好 ，and 7嘅時候咧，我哋會有少少錯步向前，都係 keep bouncing 嘅啫。不過咧今次係左腳有少少有個 and 拍嘅，所以個 and 5，啊，你試下左右 ，so and 黑 and yes。and 7, 8 and 7， 8嘅時候咧 clap 啦，係啦，都可以一齊 clap 嘅 clap 都 OK 嘅。7, 8，OK， 好 from the top 先 5, 6, 7, 8 and kick 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 to the left, to the right, and go up and up and go right and left。And up and down and up and down and bounce, bounce and bounce and bounce and weave and 7,